Where are we?
I think we're in Morocco. Now we're in Morocco.
Do you think, or
I think, yeah, we're in Morocco. And we just got out. And yes, the day before that we were in Spain. Now we're in
oh
Morocco.
my God!
Like 2 days later. So let's see. We're gonna go to the mosque, the big mosque, the second largest mosque in the world, and then we're gonna go to Fez on the train, and then we'll have an adventure, try to find a place to stay.
Oh my God!
All right.
Minoru, great man.
Minoru.
Yesterday we spent a beautiful night as usual. Tony's friend, what's his
Marvin.
name? Marvin cooked us
Fried chicken and empadito. My other.
We ate with the hand, Filipino style, man. And with our beautiful friend.
Yeah.
Aya and Tommy.
Yeah.
Talking, laughing, just having a good time, I think.
Yeah. And Cesar, what was Cesar doing?
Cesar, he was busy with, before we came, how do you say? Came to the cabin, he was busy doing sexual things. So he was tired and he was just sleeping when we were having our party.
Yeah,
right.
We were watching movies and drinking, eating. It was great.
Right.
It was great.
So today, it's gonna be today and tomorrow. It's gonna be a crazy, fucking crazy trip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens. To be continued. Peace.
With the case and everything. Goodbye?
Ooh.
Wow.
Those look like bongos. Whoa.
This for you, this for you.
Actually, on video, it looks small, but this is gigantic. This is the second largest mosque in the world. First is Mecca, which I'll go to soon. Don't know yet, but one day. And oh my gosh, this place is amazing. I don't know how people think of this, because you think about it, people who want to build something from the Creator, like Allah or God, man, they really don't mess around with praising their God. Wow. Let's see what's inside. So now we're laying down and enjoying the view. So check out what we see. So we're on the bus now. We just had a crazy Moroccan meal. I don't know what it was. We had some mint tea, we had some coffee. Now we're about to go to the beach, and wow, crazy. So we're having a good time, a relaxed time. Yeah, we're just playing everything by ear. We're enjoying ourselves. All right. Wow, this beach is so nice. It's like almost sunset, and the sand is great. Minoru's asking for me, so hold on. I'll see you later. Peace. So, we got off the train, and it was like 2 in the morning, and I was just too tired to walk around. So, first hotel was like 570 DNH. We were like, wow, that's too much. Then we found another hotel, it was only 150. So we grabbed it, slept for like 4 hours, took a shower, now we're ready to go to check out Fez for about 4 or 5 hours, walk around, see the World Heritage Site. It's gonna be an adventure. I know we're gonna have an adventure. So let's go. You ready? This was our hotel. It's pretty fat. Peace.
How many tourists do you see?
Zero. Just us.
Who's shy? Who's shy?
Those are nice. Hi, Chan.
On les suit pas.
Ha ha ha.